All the galaxies, stars, planets, even everything in this universe exists in an interstellar medium. So, what is interstellar medium? Here we discuss this question. Welcome to Universal Explorer. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon so you never miss any update. The interstellar medium, or ISM, is the matter and radiation that exists in the space between the star system in a galaxy. This matter includes gas in ionic, atomic, and molecular form, as well as the dust and cosmic rays. It fills interstellar space and blends smoothly into the surrounding intergalactic space. The energy that occupies the same volume in the form of electromagnetic radiation is the interstellar radiation field. The interstellar medium is composed of multiple phases, distinguished by whether matter is ionic, atomic, or molecular, and the temperature and density of the matter. The interstellar medium is composed primarily of hydrogen followed by helium with trace amount of carbon, oxygen, and nitrogen comparatively to hydrogen. The thermal pressure of these phases are in rough equilibrium with one another. Magnetic field and turbulent motion also provide pressure in the ISM and are typically more important dynamically than the thermal pressure is. In all phases, the interstellar medium is extremely tenuous by terrestrial standard. In cool, dense region of the ISM, matter is primarily in molecular form and reaches number of densities of 10 raised to power 6 molecules per centimeter cube or 1 million molecules per centimeter cube. In hot, diffuse regions of the ISM, matter is primarily ionized and the density may be as low as 10 raised to power minus 4 ions per centimeter cube. Compare this with the number of densities of roughly 10 raised to power 19 molecules per centimeter cube of air at sea level. And 10 raised to power 10 molecules per centimeter cube or 10 billion molecules per centimeter cube for a laboratory high vacuum chamber. By mass, 91% of atoms are hydrogen and 8.9% of helium, with 0.1% being atoms of elements heavier than hydrogen or helium, known as metals in astronomical parlance. By mass, this amount to 70% hydrogen and 28% helium and 1.5% heavier elements. The hydrogen and helium are primarily a result of primordial nucleosynthesis, while the heavier elements in the ISM are mostly as a result of enrichment in process of stellar evolution. The ISM plays a crucial role in astrophysics precisely because of its intermediate role between stellar and galactic scales. Stars form within the dense region of the ISM, which ultimately contributes to the molecular clouds and replenishes the ISM with the matter and energy through planetary nebula, stellar wind, and supernova. This interplay between stars and the ISM helps determine the rate at which a galaxy depletes its gaseous content and therefore its lifespan of active star formation. Voyager 1 reached the ISM on August 25, 2012, making its first artificial object from the Earth to do so. Interstellar plasma and dust will be studied until mission ends in 2025. Its twin Voyager 2 entered the ISM in November 2018. So this is the short story of interstellar medium. I hope you like my efforts, so press the like or dislike button and don't forget to comment on this video. Thank you.